King got the hammer in the king got the hammer got the hammer in the ring king got the hammer I ain't got the chain dicks put it in my punches to pop.
Hey sexy Lexy babes, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we will be making a Spearmint candy cane lip gloss. So if you are interested in learning how to make this beautiful lip gloss, then you just keep on watching. So to get started, we are going to use this candy cane flavoring oil from Get Sucker. Now I know you like, girl, you just said this is a Spearmint lip gloss, but you guys, I do not have that flavor oil, but you can definitely purchase it at Get Suckered. Next, we're going to add this Pigment White from TKB Trading lip liquid to one of our bowls. Now to add a little bit of shimmer to the white lip gloss, we're going to add this Pearl Mica powder. Now you're going to go ahead and mix up those ingredients in your white bowl. And don't forget, everything that I use in today's video and all of my videos are always linked in the description just to help you guys out so you can easily access every single thing that I am using. Now moving on to our second color, we are going to add this green mica pigment powder to our bowl. And we're also going to add some of this TKB Kelly Green concentrate to the bowl as well. Now you're going to go ahead and give those ingredients a nice mix. Next, we're going to add 2 drops of that TKB Pigment White Lip Liquid. And lastly, I'm going to add a little bit more of that green mica powder just to give it more of a spearmint looking color. Now we're going to go ahead and take our 20 milliliter syringe and start to fill the tubes. I have 2 separate syringes because we have 2 different colors, and we're going to be pouring or squeezing the gloss into the tubes back and forth and back and forth. The first one always looks a bit wonky, but now that I got the hang of it, the rest of them will look nice, and it'll be just like a green and white spearmint candy cane. you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I also hope that you guys are enjoying your holiday season. I wish you all the best, and I will catch you in my next video.
King got the hammer in the king got the hammer king got the hammer in the ring.